Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the CSV export ChatGPT plugin that you can use to create and export ChatGPT data to custom CSV layouts and download those CSV files from ChatGPT. So before I will show you an actual example on how to use the CSV export ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this ChatGPT plugin on my website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. I will link the tutorial in the description below. And in this tutorial, you can learn more about some CSV export ChatGPT plugin use cases, and I also share some example prompts you can use this plugin with. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the CSV export ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use the plugin, you have to enable the plugins feature in your ChatGPT account. And to be able to enable plugins, you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. And once plugins are enabled, if you don't know how, by the way, I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out. But once you have enabled plugins, all you have to do is click on New Chat on the top left here. Then by default, GPT 3.5 is selected, but you have to use GPT 4 here and select plugins from the drop down here. Then we have to install the CSV export ChatGPT plugin. If you cannot see it in the installed plugin list, you have to click on Plugin Store, search for CSV export, install the plugin. And last but not least, you also have to enable the plugin. And you can enable any plugins by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. And now the plugin is enabled, so we can start interact with the plugin. So this is the prompt we're going to use. So as you can see, I have created a dummy data set with product ID, product name, category, unit price, quantity, sales, revenue, expenses, profit, profit margin, and date. And there are about 5 rows here. So as you can see, I don't even have the values separated by a comma, which is a CSV format style. But ChatGPT and this plugin, the CSV export plugin, will be clever enough to know that these spaces should be instead commas. And then it will create a CSV file for us from this data set. So let's see what the plugin will do. So click on Send Message here. So as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of function or code. ChatGPT is clever enough to know that if you want to export this data set to a CSV file, it has to use the CSV export ChatGPT plugin. And as you can see, this is what it has done. It has sent a request to the CSV export. It made the necessary reformatting. So as you can see, it has added the commas instead of the spaces, and it has also added these double quotes for the line breaks. And as you can see, this is the response we have received from CSV export. The CSV file has been successfully created. You can download it using the link, and it has also created us a table with the data, so we can check out how the table will look like in CSV. So all we have to do is click on download test CSV here. So download it to your computer, and then using any kind of spreadsheet software, you're gonna be able to open up this CSV file. So let's see in the Google spreadsheet. So I've opened up a new Google spreadsheet, click on Fly, select Import, select Upload, click on Browse. You can upload your file from your computer. As you can see, the file has been uploaded. You can do some data manipulation here, click on Import Data. And as you can see, the CSV file is here, and we have successfully uploaded to a Google spreadsheet. So all in all, this is how to use the CSV export ChatGPT plugin to export and download ChatGPT data in CSV files. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of ChatGPT plugin tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.